Hey everyone, welcome to my channel SSS Creations. So in today's tutorial we are going to make a beautiful home decor cum gift item. If you want to gift something to your friends without spending much, then this video is going to be very helpful for you all. So let's get started. First of all, we will use clay and make these balls, and then we will make some leaves and arrange them accordingly. Put some leaves and then balls, and this is how we will cover the sides of this box. In between, I have also made this beautiful nest and along with these three beautiful eggs, and I will show you how do we make this leaf. First, take a sharp knife and edges you will fold like this, and from the center also you'll make a line and just give it a shape of a leaf, and this is how we'll make the leaf and stick on this box. इसके एक कॉर्नर पर होल करके हमने इस बल्ब को अरेंज किया है और इसके नीचे हमने फॉइल पेपर लगा दिया है ताकि ये लाइट से जले नहीं, और इसके ऊपर हम इसको कुछ पार्ट को कवर करेंगे सेम विद द लीफ एंड विद क्ले बॉल्स. We are making grapes here, and this is how we will complete this part. So let's begin the coloring part. I'm doing silver color on these balls. And for leaves, I'm using green color. I'm using color and water, and I'm not using white color on it. And this is how I'm covering the whole part. For making the base, I am taking blue color, plus I am using POP, dry powder, and mixing it with the color and water. So you how it is looking like. The sides I have completely filled with this base, and now we will color the remaining parts. So now for covering the center, I'm writing this quote: You can write any quote of your choice. I'm writing do what you love and do it often. So now our work is complete. You see how beautiful it is looking like. You can place it anywhere in your house. You can use it as a night lamp. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if you really like it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.